Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be giving y'all a tutorial on this bomb ass install that I did. Alright, today we're going to do a flip over deep wave install. Alright, so first I'm doing the ball cap method, and what I like to use for my ball cap is the Wonder Lace Bond Spray, and I like to use my Kiss Almighty Bond Lace Glue as well. The shade that I'm using for her skin tone is the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 09. All right, and after that I'll just cut the lace, and I like to get really close to the skin as I cut it, because the secret to a flawless install is a melted cap. Okay, you have to have a melted ball cap or the install will be all over the place. All right, so the shade that I use for the lace is the 09 Ruby Kisses. Once again, that's the shade for the light skin girls. All right, and for this install I will be using my Dog by Dia Get Melted Lace Adhesive. All right, because y'all know that lace adhesive gets you right. So now I'm cutting the ear tabs out so the wig can fit her head perfectly. Okay, and right now I'm just going to melt that frontal on there, and I'm just drying it, trying to get that lace melted. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so after I put the elastic band on, after I melt it, I'm just taking my mousse, Dog by Dia Get Melted Mousse, and I'm just molding that hair so we can do the flip over install. And after that, I just put a cap over her head and I sit her under the dryer. So after that, now I'm just cutting off the lace, and I like to use a razor just because you don't want to use scissors, because the scissors will leave a line. It will leave a line of demarcation across. So I like to use a razor because you can't really see the lace. After that, I like to use my Dog by Dia Get Melted. All right, get melted, honey. I'm not playing with y'all. And I like to put that all over my lace and blow dry it. And the key to using this spray is you have to blow dry it after you apply it. If you just spray it on there and apply your elastic band, it's not gonna dry easily. So after that, I just put that elastic band on, sit her back under the dryer, and now I'm pulling out her baby hairs and hot combing the hairline. Okay, so the reason I like to hot comb the hairline back while I'm separating the baby hairs from the hairline is because you want to get all those flyaways out the way so there won't be no mishaps while you're doing the baby hairs. Okay, and I'm using my Dog by Dia Get Melted Wax Stick, and that is helping me with the hot comb process because that is getting everything laid, slayed, and flat. All right, so let's get into it. And another thing that I like to do is hot comb the baby hairs, but do not burn your client. Please do not burn your client, okay? Be really careful and get those baby hairs out the way so there won't be no frizz, no flyaways, no nothing. All right, so now I'm taking my Dog by Dia Get Melted Melt Spray once again, and I'm just spraying that all across the hairline so that I can get ready to put my elastic band on. And guys, this is the final melting process, okay? This is the final melting process. And your client has to stay under the dryer to let this dry all the way. If it's not dry 100%, then the install is gonna be, it's not gonna look right, okay? So just listen to what I'm saying. So after I take the elastic band off, this is how the install looks, all right? So now I'm doing her baby hairs, and for the baby hairs, she wanted a soft, brushed out look. So I'm going to use my Dog by Dia Get Melted Mousse Foam, okay? So how I do it is I use my edge brush, and I don't use no tiny little edge brush that you can get from the hair store. I get the big ones, okay? Because the big ones will give you the big baby hairs that you're looking for, all right? So how I do it is I just mainly use my finger. As you can see, I use my finger to smooth it out, and I use the brush to just push the hairs back into the hairline. And I'm just doing that little sideburn right there. And then after I do that side, I'm going to move to the other side. And as you can see, I love to do the little circle swoops with the sideburns. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm moving on to the other side. And I love this little trend that's going on with the middle curly baby hair. Like, it's just so cute. And yes, I did curl my baby ears with a flat iron. So as you can see, honey, my Get Melted foam mousse will get you all the way right. This is the perfect mousse for curling your hair. This is the perfect mousse for defining your curls. And this is the perfect mousse for doing your baby hairs as well, because it's alcohol free, which means that it will harden up your baby hairs. Okay. So after that, I'm just defining her curls with my Dot by Dia Get Melted foam mousse once again. And y'all, I'm telling y'all, like, this mousse is the best for baby hairs if you want the fluffy baby hair look, and also for defining your curls as well. So purchase that Get Melted foam mousse May 2023 when it drops. You will not regret it. I promise you. Okay, so I'm just curling out those curls. All right, y'all, and this is the install. I brushed out those baby hairs that we did, and this is how everything turned out. All right, this is the flip over deep wave install. Yes, honey, get into it. Yes. All right, and that's my tutorial for today. Thank you, dolls, for watching. Bye.